Hey Mark, how's it going? My name's Joe. I work for Metro Design, and today I'm going to show you 3 things you can do to boost your online presence, your online ranking, and give you some of those leads that you're missing out on, and help build this awesome business that you're on the verge of making. So, first, this is your competitor, number 1, St. Louis, Missouri area. So first things first, Google loves content. Google loves big built-out websites, right? Meaning he has a lot of back pages, right? As you can see, a lot of back pages. Each of these are going to have words on them, right? Google likes to see between 500 to 700 words on your back pages, and then on your home page, which is the page we're on right now, Google likes to see between 1,500 to 2,000. So, right, as you can see, he doesn't have 1,500 to 2,000 words on his homepage, and he is barely missing the 500 to 700 words on his back pages. Right, so on his homepage, he's sitting at like 400. So if we get good content, meaning if we get the 1,500 to 2,000 words that Google likes to see, you could easily outrank him in that area, right? On his back pages, he has the same amount, about 400. So if we do like 600, 700 words on your back pages, you could outrank him in that area as well. We're trying to outrank him in every area we can. It'll make it faster and easier for us to rank him in Google if we beat him in every area. So that's what we do. You don't have a website, so I can't really show you like what's going on with your website, but I'm showing you what the number 1 guy's doing and what we need to do to beat him, right? So next, I'm going to show you citations. Citations, that's how many websites have your business name, address, and phone number. The more you have, the easier it is for Google to rank you in the local map listings, right? So 62 for this guy. If we want to beat him, we usually double, triple the citations, right? Because you want to beat him in every area. So instead of 62, we'll go out there and get 120, right? Just pile them on as fast as we can, so it's harder for them to come back and put citations on. These are the ones that they have, right? So if you wanted to, you could easily come in here and get these ones, but once again, you'll be at 62, and we're not trying to do that. We're trying to beat them in every area. That's how we rank faster, and that's how we stay on top. That's it for citations. Pretty short, simple. Next, backlinks. Backlinks is what pushes power to your website. So the more you have, the better quality backlinks you have. You're going to rank higher in Google. It's also basically a popularity contest as well. The more you have, Google thinks you're more popular, so they can push you to the top. The thing to keep in mind with backlinks, though, is you want quality over quantity. So I can go out there and get 20 bad backlinks, right? But if you go out there and get 10 good ones, you're going to outrank me every time. So we keep that in mind when we're searching for backlinks. So as you can see, 685 websites pushing 31.5 thousand backlinks to this guy. So this guy's huge. That's why he's number 1. If you want to become number 1, this is what you're going to have to look like, right? So number 1 obviously is going to bring in a lot of money. It's going to help you with your business goals. It's going to help you with your personal goals. It's going to just change your life, right? So that's what we're trying to do. That's what we focus on, helping you guys reach your goals. But that's it for this video. Short and simple. Just wanted to show you those 3 things that we focus on and that Google focuses on. So hope you liked it. Hope you found it informative. Go ahead and reach back out to us through Facebook, or you can call or text 515-468-3039. Thanks.